Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and today is another double page layout, and we are going to be using Simply Astrid Scrapbook Kit, and it's for beginners or for anyone that just wants to get a scrapbook done in less than 2 days. So yeah, I have already done all the hard work for you, mixing and matching what goes best together, how many elements or embellishments you can put on each page. I literally counted and stacked, and over 350 items. I said divide it into. I'm doing a 12 page, so it's 12 pages instead of 10. I added 2 extra uh, plastic sheets to hold them, and then we get 1 extra sheet and we cut that up, and I counted them all. I said okay, 5 can go on each page, or 6, or whatever. I don't know. I did this about 6 months ago, and I'm just now making this videos to show you. So here's what the book looks like. Let me move my sign out of the way. I've had this 10 years now, and if you don't see that, then it's not me. So this is the scrapbook and everything that comes in it from annagriffin.com. That is the first double page layout, and it is on the back, and don't forget to add a signature card to write to and from. So that was the first one. This is the second, and the third is half, because the other half we're using today, and we're using back to back, and we're saving paper, and that's how we get extra paper to add to it. So let me show you. This is what we are going to do today. No, yeah, this is what we're doing today. This was yesterday, so there's the other side that you didn't see. So we're going to use the back side of this paper and create this on here. So let's move this, and let's grab our stuff. Okay, so something stuck, there we go. I will tell you everything that you need to do and cut and where to put it, and so let's go over it. We need remember and cherished. We need 2 of these. We need 2 of these, and they are, I bet they're going to be 3 inches, because I use one side for, it's 6 inches, and then I cut it down. No, this is 2 1/4. Oh yeah, this, I forgot. So these had little squares, so I cut them right down the middle of the squares. So that's why I had extra, and that's why yesterday I had a 1/2 inch, because we had extra paper, because I like the square part. So we need to cut the squares, and it is 2 1/4 and a little bit. We need 2 journaling cards, and they match the photo frame, so we need 4. We need 2 of these. Let's see if these are the same. So we need 2 of these, and they're the same. And then let's see if these are the same. Okay, so we need 2 of these, 2 of this one, and then 2 of going the other direction. Okay guys, so let's pull this one off to the side. We'll use it in just a second, and we'll do the first one. It's really quick and easy. So this is what we did yesterday, and we're going to flip it over, and we're going to do this. So you take this, and I'm going to take the tape off. I didn't use any dies because I want to use just what's in the kit. So I went up 1, 2, 3 polka dots, and then I covered the next polka dot and made a straight line. That's how I came up with it. So then I took this, and it's a sticker, and I just stuck that in the middle, and the middle is where there's a little triangle, so I just stuck it right in the middle, and went across. Okay. I know those two are going to go here, and I know that's going to go there. So let's get the word remember and try to get all the little pieces out of it and not tear anything, so take your time. You can always pause me and do what you need to do. Let me look under the light, make sure I got all the wording. So let's go to the middle of the page. It's 6 inches, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. So the 4th letter is the middle, and we are going to move up and go to the middle on the 4th letter, which would be the E, and we're going to put it right there in the middle where the 6 is, because this is 12 inches and we went half. Okay, so it's equal there. Now we're going to take tape runner from Walmart and put it in 4 corners and the middle, and then we're going to stick that, come over, and we're just going to cover there, and we're going to stay on the same line. I'm using the polka dots as my line, and I'm leaving 1 polka dot out, and put that there. Then I have tape on this. I don't think it's a sticker, so let's peel that off. And it goes. We could decorate on this side. I think I am going to change it up. We're going to put it here. And let me go back and show you. You see how it's on both sides? And this is here. I just put this one here, and I'm going to put this here so the decorations are in the middle and the journaling cards are on the side. You can do it like I did here or what I'm fixing to show you. Okay, that journaling card looks a little crooked, so right before it sticks and stays, we're going to fix it. So now we're going to take this and we're going to put it like right here. Off. I'm going to put it right like that. Wait a minute. I got to turn it. Let me think about this. Now if I put it here, that's why the journaling card, that's why I'm having to move the journaling card. I had a reason. Stick with my original reason. I'll tell you in just a second. Let me put that. Okay, so see how this goes this way and this has to be covered up? So if we put that there, okay, this is balanced now, and then this will be balanced here. This is my thought process, and then this will be balanced here. If we left the journaling card over here, all this would still be scooted by the journaling card and all over here, and it'd be a gap here. So that's why. I did this 6 months ago, and now I'm just now making the second album to show you in tutorials. So that's why. I really, really think about every little step there is so that it does lay the best possible way. So they're going different directions, and their roses are going to be facing out, not in. So let's do that. So I knew it didn't look right when I was putting that down. So we're going to put this here, and then how much of a gap? It's a little blue flower, so we want the gap to be, let's see, it's turned like this, so we kind of want the gap to be about just a little, it's just a little gap in between. See the little half a finger? and then this one goes here. So putting that right there. There's that page. There was yesterday's. There's that one. So now let's bring the other one in and do the second double page layout. Tomorrow we'll be using a whole different piece of paper because we use that already. Polka dots, it's easy. You don't have to go any direction. So let's move that there. Okay, so we're taking this piece of paper of our extras, and we're going to line it up, which I know I'm going to go after the third polka dot line, and I just want to make sure this is lined up too, and we're going to lay that down, because even though they're not touching, they still will be right side by side, and you do want it to coordinate match. So there is a little arrow, gold arrow, so we're going to line that up. Now this has a top and a bottom. Let's twist it so that the rickrack is going one way or the other, so I do need to turn that around. Look at your paper and make sure, and we are going to make that straight, and these two, that's a deep purple maroon. It's really pretty. So we're going to do this. Let's get the word cherished, and take your time, because this, it will want to tear. You don't want to tear it. We're taking this off. We're going to take all the extra pieces out. Let me look under the light and see if I left any. And it doesn't look like it. And once again, learning this in 3rd grade and 4-H. Go to the middle of the page, and it is 6 inches. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The I is the middle. I keep looking, that 6 looks way over, but it's because my paper is off to the side here. So we want to have it on the same height. Oh, there is a little pokey right there I need to get out. Yeah, so let's go back to the 6, back to the I, and put that down. Now let's get the tape. And do 4 corners and the middle. This tape is from Walmart. And now, since we have a page to use a guide, we want to make sure, but I know that I let 1 row of polka dots show and put it there. Once you lay it down, you'll see what I'm talking about. And now we're going to go to the 1 row and 1 row. Put it there. And then we're going to lay the journaling card. It was still stuck from the other paper. And we are going to, I had moved that one. We want to line it up. Go there. I think I'm going to add a little bit more tape to this one off camera. Okay, so now we're almost done. I'm going to take off this backing of the sticker. It's very convenient. And we had it like that. Did I not get the whole paper off? It's not wanting to come. not sticky. It's not wanting to stick, but guess what? There we go. Fix that. Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, okay. So we have the little roses going up. So let's do that. So let's do this one first. So one of each side, one of each direction. So we're going to put it right about there. And then this one. We didn't have much of a gap. Right about there. And then our last piece. This was quick and easy. I did all the hard work for you. This is ideas for you to do or not what to do. If you don't like it, then you know not to do it. So there you go, guys. This is from annagriffin.com, and I'm Leigh Bradshaw, Leigh Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I'm on all social media. So hopefully you'll make a comment and tell me if you're enjoying it. Thank you, guys. Have a blessed day.